Hi, I'm Mike Stevenson, Technical Services Team Lead with Adaptive Display Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to replace a display adapter in an A-series display. First, we disconnect power to the sign. There are a few ways to do this. The easiest, however, is to flip the breaker supplying the display with its main incoming feed. Our next step is to remove the driver board that resides just over the component we're trying to replace. If you'd like to know how to remove a driver board, feel free to watch one of our other videos in the series, How to Remove an A-Series Driver Board. Go ahead and grab yourself a Sharpie marker like I've got right here. What you want to do is take that marker, you're going to label each one of these ribbon cables that I'm removing from the display adapter with the channel that it came from. This is really going to help you out when it's time to come and put the cables back where they belong. So you can see I removed number 1, number 3, there's number 2, here's number 4, there's number 6, and number 5. Now those are the ribbon cables that carry the data. Now I'm removing the power, and I'm going to remove the video connections. And now the two RS-485 connectors. Kind of got to move those ribbon cables aside so you can get at them, but there they are. Now go ahead and grab yourself a little Phillips screwdriver there. You're going to loosen, but not remove, the screws that are holding the display adapter in place. Let's go ahead and slide the display adapter over and she'll come right out. Now you want to make a note of these dip switch settings here. You're going to want to transfer those over to the new board that you put in. So write them down, memorize them, anything you need to do. But those switch settings have to be transferred over to the new card. And here's the new card. And as you can see, I moved my dip switch settings over, just copied them from the old one right onto the new one. And basically all you have to do is everything in reverse order. Just put the display adapter back in. Tighten your screws down. Reconnect your RS-485 connectors. Reconnect your video feed. Reconnect power. And now we reconnect our ribbon cables. Now this is where marking them came in handy. right, we're not connecting that one because it's not labeled. That means that that's the connection that goes to the driver board. And there's the one we were looking for. So that's it. Put your driver board back on, re-energize the sign, and away you go. Thanks for watching.